Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making full egg fried rice. It's yummy and delicious. Please try it. Now let's start. I'm using 400 grams of chicken cut in thin finger. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce, half cup capsicum, half cup carrots, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now mix well and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, in a hot pan add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add marinated chicken. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and don't stir. Inshallah it will cook. After 4 minutes it's done. Add 400 grams of boiled rice with half teaspoon of salt. Now mix well on low flame. Now add 5 eggs on top. Now it's done. Yummy and delicious full egg fried rice is ready to eat. Try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.